Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz.
What's up?
Today we're doing a viewer request, Beef Stroganoff, World Famous style. We got the sirloin meat here, cut up in nice little strips. This was seasoned with some kosher salt, smoked black pepper, and garlic powder. So, this recipe is going to be comprising, of course, of the sirloin. Got some mushrooms, onions, garlic. Of course, we're going to cook that in some beef broth, cream fraiche. To thicken it up a little bit, we're going to put some flour, and we're going to serve this over some white egg noodles, world famous. Okay, so now we just got the meat brown. Look at it. Brown it for a little bit.
We got this thing in a cast iron pan.
Yep. Cast iron. This is our second video with the cast iron. Okay, so now we're going to take our meat out. Okay, so now we're going to just saute our onions, garlic. Got some butter in there. And once it gets a little bit translucent, then we're going to put the mushrooms in. Okay, so the onions are translucent now. And just add the mushrooms.
World famous.
Okay, now we're going to add our flour here. A pocket here. That's good. Okay.
What's that do?
Pick up all this stuff on the bottom. And it's going to kind of help to thicken the sauce. Okay, now we're going to add our meat. Stir this up. And add some broth. Again, if you guys want to see a recipe, just put it in our comments to one of the videos. We're going to hook y'all up. World Famous Foods, Mr. Nez, Mr. Oz. Okay, so we're going to bring this to a boil. Let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. We're going to taste it, see if we need any more salt and pepper. It's fine. Later on, we taste it again. World Famous. Okay, so let's check now. It's been 20 minutes. Oh. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to have a cream fraiche. Just simmer off for about another 5 to 10 minutes. Let's stir this up. Some people add sour cream, but we use cream fraiche for this. Okay, so in 5 minutes for the cream fraiche. Oh,
wow, look at that.
Now we're finished, folks. Here it is. Beef Stroganoff, world famous.